Did you know that Oriental cats are not just beautiful, but also incredibly social? These cats are known for their striking colors and patterns, boasting over 300 variations. They're highly vocal and love to chat with their owners, often forming strong bonds. Interestingly, they're descendants of the Siamese breed, but they have a unique personality, playful, affectionate, and curious. Their intelligence means they thrive on mental stimulation, so interactive toys are a must. If you're looking for a companion that's both lively and loving, the Oriental cat might just be the perfect fit. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give a like.